Hi, Josh Friedman here, Director of Sales for Fix-it-stix at the SHOT Show 2026 booth. Sitting here with Robert. We're going to show you some of our new products coming up for the 2026 year.
Fantastic. Thank you so much for joining us today. What do we have that's brand new?
So brand new, this will be released probably around March, is a tray system that we're going to have now. So this tray system is going to come as you see it with 3 trays. They slide in and out. The individual components inside here are going to be able to be taken out, so you have your parts tray.
Yep.
And then you'll have individual 1/4-inch bit holders. This will hold 264 components plus.
Wow. That's awesome.
And during the year, we will be coming out with various completion packs to allow you to fully kit this out and make it a proper tool bench for you. Kind of outside Fix-it-stix wheelhouse, that we're actually making something that's not so much portable for the field.
Gotcha.
Should you wish to actually get an additional tray, they will be available. They're going to be about $30 for the single extra tray.
Cool. Is this
rubber
stackable?
feet. No, it's not stackable right now. That's a feature that we were discussing, possibly with taking these off and just inserting the screws for the rails. We could potentially build off of this. We haven't developed yet to do that yet.
I was just thinking you could also maybe do wedges so you can put 2 side by side.
It's possible. I've had somebody already try and figure out how to mount it to a wall. So there's a
Super glue.
Exactly. So that's what's coming up for that one there.
And how much is the tray alone going to cost?
So the trays are about $30, and the entire unit is going to be approximately $150.
Perfect. Okay.
So then the next part is actually kind of a 2-part thing. So this one here will be a la carte. You will be able to purchase a armorer's hammer.
Wow.
So this is a 7.5 ounce full steel solids construction.
Oh,
knurled.
That's got weight.
Yes.
Usually when you have tiny hammers like this, you have to beat the hell out of something. This has weight, my goodness.
Yeah, so
just a little bit of movement and yeah.
Yeah, we had a major firearms manufacturer come to us requesting a toolkit for their armorers programs. They wanted something between 5 and 8 ounces. We came up with a 7.5 ounce one. Also, it's keyed in the front for 1/4 inch.
Yeah.
So some of our heavier torque limiters that are in the 65, 80, 100 inch pound, or even for the Barretts for the 140s, you can now use that as a real handle grip. So that's nice. They will also be able to fit our brass hammerhead, and we are going to be releasing in probably a month or 2 polymer heads. So you'll be able to have something that's just a plastic, so it's all non-marring. It's going to come without it, I believe, right now. I don't know exactly the cost on this. I think it's about $35 to $50, somewhere in that price point on its own. But it's, like you said, it's a solid steel hammer. And the reason I said that it's kind of a 2-part, because you can also purchase the kit. Okay, so this is what we're calling our armorer's punch kit. So with this one, you get the hammer with brass head, you get a punch holder, and then you have all of our punches.
Look at that.
So you have starter punches, roll pin punches, steel punches, brass punches.
That's amazing. I love that. It's just, you know, when you look at all of this, it's, and of course it's got that fix-it-stix quality built in. This is amazing. So, I mean, and this is magnetic.
Yep.
So right there, oh, that's...
And there is a mesh pocket, so you can add some things if you needed to. There's a little bit of room.
That's awesome. And how much is the full kit going to be?
This is, I think, about $130 to $150 in that price point. So that's what we're looking at with that. So really nice little setup, small package, kind of thing that you can also keep in a drawer very easily. Not only just in your range bag, but it's easy, it's packable and everything. So
yeah, and it's not everywhere. It's just, you know, I need my hammer and punch. It's right here. Here we go.
we are working on another armorer's block that will potentially be able to fit into this as well. So now you can have a low profile armorer's block later in the year potentially. So we have a few other little things that are going to be coming out during the year.
Just a few little things.
Just a few little things. And
that's
then
great.
The last part of our new one, if you remember last year we went over, we had the big Pro Kit.
Yeah.
And the Nano card case. So same graphically that we have, but you notice it's quite a bit smaller.
Yeah.
So this is a Nanook 903 made in Canada. So a nice case, you know, serious quality. And this is our works kit. So we took the standard works, either with the variable torque driver or with the 4 independent torque limiters. It comes in both SKUs. Instead now we gave you, instead of a Velcro patch, we have a non-magnetic and magnetic pocket that's Velcroed in here. That little armorer's block potentially will nest on there. That's the idea. So we're working towards that. This one is the variable torque driver one. So you're going to get the 15 to 65 inch-pound. The other version would be 15, 25, 45, 65 inch-pounds.
Yep.
So you get all of those pieces right there. And then you still get our standard T-handle and 2 brass rods. Removing the front card, we have everything that came in the works kit as a pared down rifle, pistol, shotgun, kind of a baby 3-gun kit, if you would, for that. And then what I love, if you do the variable, so the difference, everybody says, what's the difference between the individuals and the variables? And it's a little bit more precise, but you need to know that you have exactly the correct, you know, torque limiter for each application. These give you a little bit more variety. You can fudge some numbers in between. And then, so in this case here, you get an empty card. You can buy our red dot electro-optics add-on and put it in here. Point slot battery door tool, scope jack, bubble levels. There's room to add. And even if you did the 4 limiter one, you're going to just have 4 limiters, so you still have a few pieces here, and you can still even fit more 1-inch bits on the outside of that. So
I also love the fact that this is your new display. So I have where you put all the bits together, but you don't have the open thing. So getting them out can be troublesome. And this is the new version where you can just add your bits and easily pull them out.
What would end up happening is it would push down in here, and then you'd have to get pliers. So now you can just come right into the top and pull it out. You don't have to worry about it.
Oh my God.
You're not going to lose anything.
I love this. This is great.
And just like all of our product, we are manufactured in Taiwan. We have military contracts, therefore we have to be manufactured in a compliant, friendly country. And so we take care of everything that we can. Still all electroless nickel on the finishes with everything. And that is pretty much what is new from Fix-it-stix now for 2026.
And how much is this kit?
It's going to be approximately, I think, $390.
Wow.
In that price point. And also, should you be a current Works owner, you can purchase just the hard case.
That's awesome.
So,
thank you so much.
Thank you, Robert.
Always a pleasure to see you.
Yes, always a pleasure.
And we will see you next year. So if you look in the link down below, you'll find a link to Fix-it-stix. It's my personal favorite. Their kits are amazing. The bits don't strip. Everything is just highest quality possible. We'll see you soon.